Good morning. Welcome to Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So I have some Infinity tapestries that I tied up, and I decided I wanted to do a reveal for these. A lot of people have been excited about them, so we're going to get these all cut open and revealed here. Yeah. All right. Alrighty, here we go. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, more to come. Okay, here we go with another one. Yeah, another beautiful one. Okay, here's one in green. And there we have it. Oh, and I've also renamed, originally I called this the Infinity Scrunch with hearts, and now I'm calling it Infinite Love. So this is my Infinity series. Okay, here's one more in the Infinity series. This one here I'm going to call Infinite Peace. So I tied Infinity over here, and I tied a peace sign over here. So let's get this thing opened up. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, here we go for Infinite Peace. Yeah. Nice. Alright, we'll get this all washed up and we'll have pictures posted later.